Hey everyone, welcome back to our Hitman Gaming channel. Today I have another cool gadget to unbox and review. So this is Gaiatop 5-inch USB Dex fan. If you are looking for a small but powerful and personal, you can stick around here till the end. So let's get started. So at first we are going to unbox it. So there is nothing much information at the box. You can see here that this is a 2.5 watt USB fan. So let's cut it down. In the box we have our main fan, and user manual. You can see that. If you want, you can read through it. Pause the video and read it. So put it aside. This is our fan in a anti-static plastic. This is a USB cable, so non-detachable USB cable. The design is good, feels sturdy. It is very sturdy, portable and very thin. That is 45 mm. That is very thin, only 4.5 centimeter. It's a 5.5-inch fan which have 4.5 or 4-inch blades. Yeah, 4-inch blade, and it have a tilt stand of around 180 degree. It have a 150 centimeter of cable, which is around 1.5 meter. It have a power button as well as speed controller button. So it has a 3-speed. It is on and first speed, second and high speed. So let's power it up and test it. It's already powered by my MI 10,000 milliampere hour power bank. You can hear the noise level. It's first mode. Second mode. And third mode. You can hear the noise, though it's a very quiet fan. You can tilt like that. So let's talk about the pros and cons. It have very compact and portable design. You can carry it at your backpack. You can go to the office with it because it is very quiet. It have very strong airflow very quiet operation because it have BLDC fan, BLDC motor, 2.5 watt BLDC motor, and it's USB powered. As you see, you can use it from your laptop, from your desktop, from your power bank, from your USB adapter. And there is nothing much cons, like there is no built-in battery. For this price range you can't get the built-in battery because it's only 600 rupees, 599 on Amazon. And it have a fixed base, there is no oscillation, so you can expect the oscillation in this price range. So at the conclusion, overall the fan is a fantastic choice if you need a compact, quiet and a powerful text pen, and it's perfect for your office work, your home, your desk, your traveling, everyday traveling. You can carry it. And also the cleaning part is very easy of this fan. You can just twist like that 5 degree, and this guard is open. Okay, and when you want to put it up, then okay, so this is very good. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button please, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more tech videos and reviews. See you in the next video. Bye bye till then. Thank you.